In this video, I want to show you how to set up your Apple Watch SE3 so you're able to pay with it. So technically, once it will be set up, you'll simply have to double click this button right over here. Let me do it to show you. Twice, double click, and your card will appear. Or if you have multiple credit cards, you'll be able to swipe up and down and select the one, bring the Apple Watch close to the reader of the merchant, and that's all. It will pay this way. So how do you set up a card over here? Let me show you. So for this, you'll need your iPhone. On your iPhone, you're going to open the Watch app. If you don't see anywhere your Watch app, simply go all the way towards the right side, go into the app library and type Watch. Usually this is the main display of the Watch app. Go down and we need to select over here Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap. And you're going to see all the credit cards that are currently set up with your iPhone. So I already have a credit card in my wallet that I'm using with my iPhone. If you want to add one of those credit cards to your watch, simply press the add button over here. It will ask you to type a password on your Apple Watch, and you'll be able to add this card to your watch and use it the same way I showed you at first in this video. If you want to add a new card to your Apple Watch, simply press add card. And here, if you want to add a credit card or debit card, you're going to press debit or credit card, press continue, and go ahead, put your credit card or debit card on a table and scan it with this app. And this way you'll be able to add that card right over here on your Apple Watch. You may have to press the add button just to make sure that it has been added. But overall, this is it. As I said, once the card has been added, double press this button and it will appear automatically, and you'll be able to shuffle through your different cards up and down. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.